नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रों. Today we shall learn about subject and predicate part of the sentences. So first of all, we will say subject's definition. It's given in Wren and Martin grammar. So what is subject? The part which names the person or thing we speaking about is called subject. The part which names the person or thing we speaking about is called subject. And second part, predicate part, and its definition is given in Wren and Martin grammar is that the part which tells something about the subject. The part which tells something about subject is called predicate part. So we will see here another use of subject is that it comes usually first. Subject comes first in the sentence and then verb comes SV plus O. So first comes subject and then verb and then object in the sentence. We will see here that subject usually comes first, and second thing is that in imperative sentences the subjects left out. Go, stop, thank you, come here, go there, stop. This type of sentences are called imperative sentences, and here subject is left out. So this is the explanation about subject and predicate part of the sentence. Now we will see its exercises. First exercise is that the cracking of geese saved Rome. So here cracking of geese is subject and saved Rome is predicate part. In next sentence, the boy stood on the burning desk. So, what is the subject in this sentence? Will you answer me? The boy is subject and stood on the burning desk is predicate part. Tubal Cain was a man of might. Here, Tubal Cain is subject and was a man of might is predicate part. Stone walls do not make a prison. In this exercise, stone walls do not make a prison. You can give me its answer. Which is the subject part in this sentence and which is the predicate part in this sentence? You can comment it on. Stone walls is subject and do not make a prison is predicate part. Stone walls is subject. Now we will see another exercise. The singing of birds delights us. What is the subject part in this sentence and what is the predicate part in this sentence? Okay. The singing of birds is subject part in this sentence and delights as predicate part. Now we will see more exercises. Miss Kitty was rude at the table one day. Miss Kitty is subject in this sentence and was rude at the table on the day is predicate part. He has a good memory. He is subject part of the sentence and has a good memory is predicate part. Bad habits grow unconsciously. What is the subject in this sentence and which is the predicate part of this in this sentence? You can say me in comment. Okay. Bad habits is subject part in this sentence and grow unconsciously is predicate part in this sentence. Nature is the best physician. Which is the subject in this sentence and which is the predicate part of this sentence? You can comment on comment box. Nature is subject and is the best physician is predicate part. Okay, we will see more about English grammar in next video.